This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Marla Harris. Beautiful new construction ranch with a large, open floor plan. This 3-bedroom/2.5 bath includes a little over 2,200 square feet with oversized rooms throughout. The custom kitchen features Amish cabinets, a huge island, and granite countertops. The owner's suite includes a generous 7x9 walk-in closet, custom shower, freestanding soaker tub, and a double sink vanity. The other two bedrooms share a Jack and Jill full bath. There is also an oversized half bath and laundry/utility room. All kitchen and bath faucets, door handles and hinges are black. Beautiful neutral flooring is throughout, including porcelain tile in the bathrooms, laundry room and owner's closet. The rest of the home has water/spill resistant wood laminate flooring. The front and back both include covered porches that feature cedar ceilings and posts. The view from the front porch is amazing. This beautiful home is just minutes from the highway and Bloomington.